Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2008 EC paper. The question is a discrete NTI system has an impulse response h of n. So the h of n is equal to h of 0 is 1, h of 1 minus 1 and h of 2 is 2. Right? So this is the argument. This is 0 and 0 otherwise. The system is given an input sequence x of n with x of 0. X of n is x of 0 1, x of 1 is not given, so 0, x of 2 is 1. Okay. The number of non-zero sample in the output and y of 2. So first we have to find out what is y of n. Y of n is x of n star h of n. How can we find? You have to use tabulation method. This is h of n, this is h of n, this is x of n 1 0 1. Cross multiply 8, 1 minus 1 2, 0 0 0, 1 minus 1 2. Take output like this. Y of n is equal to 1, submit 1, 0 and 1 minus 1, 1 and 2 3, minus 1 comma 0 0 2. So how many non-zero? 5 non-zero output. All are non-zero only. Moreover, what is y of 2? This is n0 starting, n1 n2. So y of 2 is 3. So 5 non-zero, 3 output y of 2 is 3. So option D is right answer. Thank you.